Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your maths class. I, Aanchal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your maths class. So students, in our previous session, we have started with the new topic that is patron. Okay, that is our chapter number 15 as well. Okay, and today we are going to start with some of the new patterns that is given in your book. तो हमारे बुक में और भी बहुत सारे पैटर्न्स हैं जो दिए हुए हैं and we are going to start with that only. Clear? So yesterday we have done, first of all I'll just give you a small recall so that you can recollect all the information that I have shared with you all. So first of all the chapter was chapter number 15. This is the name of the chapter and the topic was pattern. P-A-T-T-E-R-N. This is the topic, that is pattern. So this was the new topic that we have started yesterday. So what is pattern that we have already done? तो देखिए बेटा हमने कल 3 तरह के patterns हमने discuss किए थे. So there were the 3 types of pattern that we have discussed. The first one was geometry. Okay, first of all the types of pattern. Types of pattern that we have discussed. Okay, ये हमने जो ये types of pattern जो हमने discuss किए थे, that we have already discussed. Okay, so now the 3 types of patterns that we have discussed yesterday. तो 3 तरह के अलग-अलग patterns थे जो हमने कल discuss किए थे. तो first one was geometrical pattern. G-E-O-M-E-T-R-I-C-A-L, geometrical pattern. So this is the first pattern that we have discussed, that is geometrical pattern. So what is the meaning of geometrical pattern? So geometrical pattern, देखिए pattern मैंने कल भी आपको समझाया, pattern is the किसी भी मतलब कोई एक तरह से एक जो अलग अलग एक पैटर्न हम फॉलो करते हैं. पैटर्न यू कैन सी on the different types of clothes, carpets. They say I'm just wearing this suit and you can see their pattern is the flowers are made on this pattern. So this is kind of pattern. तो pattern देखिए हर जगह होता है. Okay, so as you can see this hanky, so it has stars on this, so this is the pattern of this hanky. So there are different kinds of pattern on the different items that you can see. So the first pattern that we have discussed was geometrical pattern. तो सबसे पहले हमने क्या किया था, geometrical pattern. So I will just give an example and you will be able to recall it. So the geometrical pattern, okay, so in which the pattern in which we use the geometrical shapes. Geometrical pattern क्या होता है, जो pattern जिसमें कि हम geometrical shapes को use करते हैं, that is geometrical pattern. So the pattern in which we use geometrical shapes, that is known as geometrical pattern. So I will just give an example like small circle, then bigger one, then again small, then bigger one. Okay, then it is a 4 rectangle, 2 rectangle, then small pattern, then bigger one, then small circle, and then again bigger one. So this is kind of a pattern. Okay, तो देखिए एक पैटर्न फॉलो करें, पहले छोटा सर्कल, फिर बड़ा, फिर छोटा, फिर बड़ा, फिर 2 सर्कल्स. उसके बाद क्या आएगा, इसके बाद जो पैटर्न अगर हम ड्रॉ करेंगे तो क्या आएगा. So what will be the next in this pattern? So in the next you will see you can make 2 triangles. Okay, so this is the geometrical pattern. So geometrical pattern is a pattern in which we use geometrical shapes, जिसमें कि हम geometrical shapes draw करते हैं या use करते हैं, that is known as geometrical pattern. I hope it is clear. The second one was, जो second हमने discuss किया था, what was that? So the second type of pattern that we have discussed was number pattern. Okay, so the second one was number pattern. P-A-T-T-E-R-N. So that is number pattern. So second that we have discussed was number pattern. ये हमने second pattern जो discuss किया था, its name is number pattern. So what is number pattern? So the pattern in which we follow a pattern of numbers. एक ऐसा पैटर्न जिसमें कि हम नंबर्स का पैटर्न फॉलो करते हैं, दैट इज नोन एज नंबर पैटर्न. ओके, आई विल जस्ट गिव एन एग्जांपल. एग्जांपल देखिए. ओके, just take any example. You can take any of the example. Like I will just take, okay, 2. Okay, so 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5. और आपसे पूछा गया कि नेक्स्ट 2 पैटर्न्स कौन से होंगे. सो व्हाट विल बी द नेक्स्ट 2 पैटर्न आफ्टर दिस. So as you can observe, here we are using 1 and then 1 2, then 1 2 3, then 1 2 3 4, then 1 2 3 4 and 5. So in this we are following the pattern of numbers. So इस pattern of numbers में क्या है बेटा? So you can see that at every stage we are adding the next digit. हर एक stage पे हम क्या करें? We are just writing the next digit. Okay, according to the counting. Okay, we are just adding one more digit. तो देखिए पहले 1 था, then we made it 1 2, then 1 2 3, then 1 2 3 4. तो देखिए हर बार क्या है, एक एक डिजिट ऐड ऑन होते जा रहा है. 1 के बाद 2, then 3, then इसमें 4, then इसमें 5. So here we are adding one and more next digit to this pattern. Okay, so what will be the next 2 patterns? So what will be the next 2 numbers for this pattern? तो इसके लिए next 2 numbers कौन से होंगे पैटर्न के? So just write it. That will be 1 2 3 4 5 6. So the next pattern will be 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2. Okay, देखिए 1 था, फिर 1 2, then it's 1 2 3, then it's 1 2 3 4, then it's 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 के बाद next digit क्या होता है? That is 6. So we will write up to 6. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So what will be the next digit after 6? That will be 7. So we will write 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and so on. जितने भी आपसे पूछे जाएंगे and you can just continue with that. Okay, by adding one and one more digit. So this is the example of number pattern. Okay, so this is an example of number pattern. So next, third one is, okay, so these were the 2 ones. So we have discussed one more. Okay, हमने एक तीसरा भी डिस्कस किया था बेटा. So let's discuss that one also. Okay, so third one was third one was pattern in addition and subtraction. Pattern in addition and subtraction. Addition और subtraction में जो हम pattern use करते हैं, that is the third one. That is pattern, P-A-T-T-E-R-N. Pattern in addition. Pattern in addition and subtraction. Pattern in addition and subtraction. Okay, so this is the pattern in addition and subtraction. So what is this? देखिए इसमें हम pattern, I will just show with you an example. So just like this, that number, इसमें भी हम एक तरह से number and it is a mixture of number. ये जो pattern in addition and subtraction है, आपको पता है when we do the addition and subtraction, generally we always use the numbers. तो addition और subtraction में हम क्या use करते हैं? We use the numbers only. So this will also include the number pattern को हम इसमें लेके चलेंगे. Okay, so the example that I am giving you here, that is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. Okay, that is equal to 25. Okay, next 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9, okay, plus 11, that is 36. Okay, Now, what will be the pattern for 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13? What will be the pattern for this? अब इसके लिए क्या pattern होगा? Next is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15. So what will be the pattern for this? तो देखिए अब हमारे पास पैटर्न हमें देखने से what kind of pattern we are going to follow in this. So देखिए it's 25 with 36. So क्या कोई चीज कॉमन है इसमें? Okay, so I'll just give a clue. तो देखिए 5 multiplied by 5 is equal to 25. Okay, then 6 into 6 is equal to 36. So this is the common that if we multiply the one number with its own, मतलब एक अगर हम एक ही नंबर को अपने ही नंबर से डिवाइड, if we multiply one number with its own number, okay, a number with its own number, then the answer that we get, that is okay, so that is here. So the 5 multiplied by 5 is 25, 6 multiplied by 6 is 36. So what will be the next, what will be the answers of the next two, these two? So देखिए, so in this we are following the pattern of that multiplying the one number with the same number. So 5 multiplied by 5 is 25, 5 5s are 25, 6 6s are 36. So next number, the next number क्या होगा? After 6 it will be 7. So after 6 it will be 7. So 7 7s are, that is 49. 7 7s are 49. So you will write it as 49. 7 7s are 49. Okay. Now what next after this? So next 8 8s are 64. 8 8s are 64. So we will write it as 64. So देखिए the two patterns that we are following, that we are adding all odd numbers. तो हम सारे जितने भी we are just okay, so we are adding, आप कह सकते हो या तो हम सारे odd numbers कर रहे हैं और we are just adding the numbers using skip counting. तो skip counting करते हुए जैसे 1 के बाद हमने 2 skip किया, then we add 3, then skip 4 5, then skip 6, then 7. Okay, or either you can say that we are using the odd numbers, so we are just adding the odd numbers in the series, or you can say that we are adding the numbers using skip counting. So skip counting use करते हुए हम numbers add करें. So in the both way you can say that. Okay, so this is the type of a pattern that you follow in the addition and subtraction. Okay, so this is a kind of pattern that we follow in the addition and subtraction. Clear? Now let's move to the another one, that is, okay, so these are the different kinds of pattern that you can see in your books. Okay, now there are several other examples that is given in your book with the help of diagrams. So बहुत सारी examples दी हुई हैं using the diagrams or using the different kinds of figure. So you can see the different kinds of diagram or the figures that is being used while drawing the pattern. तो pattern draw करते हुए you can use the different kinds of figures. Okay, so show the pattern. Okay, so let's look at one of the example that is given in your book at page number 175. Example number 4. Okay, so let's take the example number 4. Okay, so here the example number 4 is, so as you can see, look at the pattern and fill in the missing terms. So just look at the pattern, that is A. So you can see 1 2 3 4 numbers in the first circle, 3 4. Next is the 3, 1 2 3. Next is 2 and the last is 1. Okay, so this kind of pattern is given in example number 4, that is A part, and here the number is 85, here it is 60, then 30, then 10, then 25, then 30, and here it is 20. So here, as you can see, this is the pattern that is given in your book. And while observing this pattern, अब देखिए इस पैटर्न को देखने पे it look like a grape. देखने में ऐसा लग रहा है अंगूर का, ऐसे वो जैसे वो गुच्छा होता है ऐसे लग रहा है, but it is not a grape. Okay, so this is the pattern they are using. So we have to observe this pattern. हम इस pattern को observe करते हुए we have to find that what will be right in the next 3. तो ये हमारे पास जो बाकी 3 बचे हैं इसमें हम क्या लिखेंगे while observing this pattern. Okay, so just pay very attention कि क्या है. So here it is 20, 85, here it is 60, here it is 30, here it is 10. Then it's 25, 30 and 20. So just observe the pattern. देखिए 85 minus 60. 85 में अगर हम 60 minus करेंगे that will be 25. 60 minus 30, 30. 30 minus 10, 20. So here they are using the pattern of subtracting the difference of 2 consecutive numbers. So जो हमारे 2 consecutive numbers हैं, so they are taking the difference of that. Okay. So for example, देखिए 85 minus 60, इन दोनों को minus किया, 85 minus 60, that is 25. 85 minus 60 is 25. वो हमारा यहाँ पे आ गया. 85 minus 60 is 25. Okay. Next it's 30. And if we subtract 30 from 60, अगर हम इन दोनों को subtract करें, 60 minus 30. 60 minus 30 will be 30 again. 60 minus 30. 60 minus 30 is 30. So 60 minus 30 is 30. Okay. Next 30 minus 10. 30 minus 10. 30 minus 10. That is 20. कितना आया? 20. So that is 20. So here they are subtracting 2 consecutive numbers. So here they are subtracting the 2 consecutive numbers. 85 minus 60 is 25. 60 minus 30, 30. 30 minus 10, 20. Clear? Now what will be the next 3 digits in this pattern? Okay, so we're following this pattern only. इसी pattern को follow करते हुए हम बाकी जो 3 digits हैं हमारे missing digits हैं that we are going to find out. Okay, so let's 25 and 30. Here are the 2 digits. 30 minus 25. 30 minus 25. 30 minus 25 will be 30 minus 25 will be 5. यहाँ क्या आएगा? 5. So here we will write 5. So देखिए ऐसे ऐसे या ऐसे ऐसे it doesn't matter. So we are just following the pattern. 30 minus 25. So 30 minus 25 is 5. Next 30 minus 20. 30 minus 20. So 30 minus 20 will be 10. 30 minus 20 will be 10. So 30 minus 20, 10. 30 minus 20 is 10. Next 5 minus 10. Next is 5 minus 10. Or sorry, 10 minus 5. Next is 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5 will be 5 only. So here we will write 5. So 10 minus 5 is 5. Okay, so this is the solution of the A part of example number 4. So now I think now you have observed that what kind of pattern we are following here. So this is also a form of pattern in addition and subtraction. ये भी एक तरह से addition and subtraction का pattern that we are following here. Okay, so here we are just subtracting 2 consecutive numbers. यहाँ पे हम 2 consecutive numbers को क्या कर रहे हैं? Subtract कर रहे हैं. Clear? So, अच्छा, while doing the solution, no need to show this one. Okay? No need to show this one. You can just do this of kind of solution, or you can just write. Okay, so here we are subtracting. Here we are subtracting. Here we are subtracting two consecutive. So here we are subtracting two consecutive numbers. So this is the pattern that we are following here. So here we are subtracting two consecutive numbers. I hope that everybody understood this. आप सबको इस pattern समझ में आ गया? Clear? Simply 85 minus 60, 25. 60 minus 30, 30. 30 minus 10, 20. 30 minus 25, 5. 30 minus 20, 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. So here, this is the answer. Clear class? Okay. So here we are following the pattern of two consecutive. So you can just pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. So you have to do this pattern in this your notebook as well. तो आपको ये question जो है ये अपनी notebook में भी ज़रूर करना है. Is it clear? Okay. चलिए. Now the next is the B part of the same example number 4. So now we will move to the B part of same example number 4. So again you can see a figure here. So I am just drawing it here. So we may draw that is the B1. So it's a big circle. So you can see a big circle is drawn here. Okay, then it is divided into some of the parts. This is the smaller one and here it is written 8. Okay, and after that it is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now it is divided into 8 parts. 2, 4, 6 and that is 8. So these are the different parts in which this circle is divided. Now I'm just going to write this, the number that was in between. Okay. Okay, so this is the pattern that is following here. So here it is written 8. Then here it is written 17. Here it is written 11. Here it is 4. Here it is 7 and it is 25 and it's 19. Okay, so this is a pattern that you can see in your book. तो ये एक पैटर्न है जो कि आपकी बुक में बना हुआ है, the B part of example number 4. And you have to do the examples as well in your notebook. Just keep in your mind that you have to do the examples as well. Okay, class? Now, okay. So now what we have to do is, now देखिए अब हमें बताना है कि that what kind of pattern that we are following here. So what is the pattern that we are following in this sum? हम इस sum में कौन सा pattern follow कर रहे हैं? That we have to find out. So let's find it out. So देखिए here in the mid the 8 is given and there are several numbers given here. तो यहाँ पे बहुत सारे numbers दिए हुए हैं and in the mid it is 8. So that means कुछ ऐसा करना है that हम इन बाकी जो numbers जो दिए थे, all the numbers that are given here, so we have to find it out that something that is by adding them, by subtracting them, or by multiplying or division of some kind, किसी तरह की calculation. Okay, after doing some kind of calculation, you will find 8 from all these numbers, and these two are the missings as well. So सबसे पहले we have to find out that what kind of pattern they are following here. यहाँ पे कौन सा pattern वो follow कर रहे हैं, so that at last they are finding the 8 from all sides. So because the 8 is given in the middle, तो जो 8 है that is given in the middle. तो यहाँ पे 8 जो middle में दिया हुआ है, so that means it is the common for everyone. तो देखिए जो diagrams that are drawn, जो diagrams बनी भी होती हैं, it also shows some kind of, कहते हैं ना, एक तरह से इशारा देती हैं कि that we have to solve this sum in such a manner so that we will get some kind of 8 from all these numbers. तो हमें किसी तरह से 8 मिले इन बाकी सारे numbers से. So this is how this diagram is drawn. तो ये diagrams जो ऐसी बनती हैं, so kindly pay attention to the diagrams as well. तो diagrams जो है उन पर भी ध्यान दीजिए कि वो कैसे बनाई गई हैं, सो दैट द सॉल्यूशन इज 8. क्लियर? सो देखिए नाउ स्टार्टिंग विद दिस 19. ओके, सो इफ वी subtract them, 25 minus 19, that will be 6. No. 19 minus 7, that will be, obviously देखिए किसी को भी प्लस करके तो 8 नहीं आएगा किसी भी नंबर को. So 8 is the smallest, so that means ये किसी ना किसी नंबर को सब्ट्रैक्ट करके आएगा. Okay, 19 minus 7, no. 19 minus 7 will be 11. 19 minus 4, that will be 15. 19 minus 11, that will be 8. So 19 minus 11, that is 8. 19 minus 17, that will be 2. तो देखिए 19 minus 11 is 8. अब इसको हम एक बार साइड पे रखते हैं. Let's check the pattern. So now let's move to the 25th next number, that is 25. So 25 minus 7, 25 minus 7, that will be 18, but here we require 25 minus 4, that is 21. 25 minus 11, that is I think 14, that will be 14. 25 minus 17, 25 minus 17, that is क्या आएगा? So 25 minus 17 will be 8. So देखिए 25 minus 17 is 8. So now just find some kind of common connection between these two. अब इन दोनों के बीच में एक तरह से कॉमन कनेक्शन ढूंढिए. देखिए so 19 minus 11, these two. 19 minus 11 is 8. 25 minus 17 is 8. So देखिए क्या पैटर्न फॉलो हो रहा है. सो दे आर फॉलोइंग द पैटर्न इन विच दे आर सब्ट्रैक्टिंग द टू ऑपोजिट नंबर्स. तो यहाँ पे ये दोनों एक ऑपोजिट नंबर्स को जब सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं, सो दे कैन गेट एंड दे जस्ट गेट द सेम आंसर दैट इज गिवन इन द मिडल. सो आफ्टर सब्ट्रैक्टिंग द टू ऑपोजिट नंबर्स they will get the answer, that is 8. So the pattern they are following, that they are subtracting the two opposite numbers. So they are subtracting two opposite numbers. Okay, so 19 minus 11 is 8. 25 minus 17 is 8. So they are subtracting two opposite numbers and they will get their answer. Okay, now और कोई नंबर है जिसको हम देखिए, इसके अपोजिट कुछ नहीं है, इसके भी नहीं है. यस, 11 minus 19 है, 19 minus 11, 11 minus 19 is not possible. So that means 19 minus 11 is 8. 25 minus 17 is 8. Now the next number is 7. अब 7 में से हम कितना माइनस करें कि 8 आए? तो ऐसा कुछ हो सकता है? नो, डेफिनेटली नॉट. सो दैट मीन्स वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट 7 फ्रॉम समथिंग सो दैट द आंसर विल बी 8. तो हमें अब 7 को किसी नंबर से माइनस करना पड़ेगा ताकि जो हमारा आंसर है जो 8 आए. सो उसके लिए आप क्या करेंगे बेटा? देखिए 7 में से 7 plus 8 कर दीजिए, दैट इज 7 plus 8 is 15. So 7 plus 8 is 15. So that means if you subtract 7 from 15, you will get 8. So if you subtract, तो 7 और 8 को प्लस कर दिया, 15 आ गया. So that means 15 में से 7 माइनस करेंगे, you will get 8. So 15 minus 7 is 8. So यहाँ पे हम इसके ऑपोजिट क्या लिख देंगे? We will write 15. 15 minus 7 is also 8. Next is 4. So now 4 को हम किस नंबर से सब्ट्रैक्ट करें so that the answer is 8. So देखिए 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4 is 12. 8 plus 4 is 12. So 12 minus 4. So इसके ऑपोजिट हम लिखेंगे 12. So 12 minus 4 is 8. So now you have find the common connection between two all. So by subtracting the two opposites number in this given figure, you will get your pattern. So they are following the subtracting two opposite numbers. So the pattern they are following is that they are subtracting the two opposite number, or by subtracting the two opposite numbers, they will get the answer. 25 minus 17 is 8. Okay. उसके बाद 15 minus 7 is 8. Then 12 minus 4 is 8. Then 19 minus 11 is 8. So they are subtracting the two opposite numbers using this diagram. I hope this is also clear to you all that what pattern they are following here. Okay. So these kinds of patterns that you are going to find out in the various exercise of your this chapter number 15. Okay class. So with this I am just ending the session here only. So I will see you again very soon in our next session. So till then everybody have a good day.